you have got the other one, which is damn bloody bearish, was HARTA. HARTA was the worst because it has this Malaysia glove stocks right now. Sometime back, okay, I think 2 weeks back, I talked about the bearish pattern, okay, on these glove stocks. Right here, okay. So this is TOPGLOV. Where's my pencil? There you go. So this is like a TOPGLOV. Okay, so this is like a double top. Take a look at this. This is like a double top. Okay, with the neckline. Okay, and it broken. Now this is top. You have got the other one, which is damn bloody bearish, was HARTA. HARTA was the worst because it has this. I beg your pardon. Sorry. Let me remove the obscene drawing. Okay. Yeah, HARTA has what we call a head and shoulder reversal pattern. It is a bearish reversal pattern. Okay, so HARTA promptly broke out of the pattern. Similarly to this TOPGLOV. Okay, same for SUPERMAX, same for Comfort. But I'm just going to use these two as a reference so that you know. Please unsee what you have seen just now. Okay, please unsee what you have seen just now. So this is a breakdown of this pattern double top. This is breakdown of this in this head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so after a breakdown, okay, because these two companies, these gloves company are expected to make good earnings anyway. Okay, so therefore my anticipation was a false breakdown before it goes back up again, and the anticipation came true. Okay, came true. Yeah, so HARTA, you can see that it has it has traded back upwards. Okay, traded back upwards. So I believe this bearish pattern is over. Okay, this bearish pattern is over in glove, so we should expect it to start to trade upwards. Okay, start to trade upwards. Now this coincide, I don't know, is it TNE or not? This one coincide with the current second and third wave infection that we are seeing now. So this reversal pattern actually is a chance to shake out a lot of weak holders, retailers, okay, especially those on the margin, okay, shake them out. So therefore, these stocks should be on the way up again. Now let's see. I think HARTA earning is always the first one to report. Let's take a look. HARTA. Let's see the earnings date. November 5th. HARTA is November 5th. It will report. TOPGLOV just reported, so I don't believe TOPGLOV is going to report so soon. Maybe. Okay, SUPERMAX will report first. Or is it KOSSAN? Okay, SUPERMAX usually November 28th. That must be KOSSAN already. Well, someone got to report in October. To let us understand which one go first. 21st of November for KOSSAN. What about Comfort? Rubber racks as well. So these are the few very strong glove stocks. You see, Comfort is also a very strong glove stocks. Okay. So when you buy company like this with very strong trend, earnings trend, okay, earnings trend, you have this margin of safety because you are buying a good company. So whenever the price retrace, okay, whenever the price retrace, you have these great earnings backing you up. Or therefore, it makes it more likely that this stocks is going to rebound and go back up. That is why I do not trust the bearish pattern that I seen on the glove stocks charts. KOSSAN is 16. So it's CAREPLUS. CAREPLUS. So CAREPLUS, let's see CAREPLUS. Okay, so that will be, this company will be the one, okay, that will be the one that will provide us the clue. 6th of November. Looks like 6th of November is the earliest for this these glove stocks to report their earnings. So from these glove stocks, we will be able to understand how is the market doing. Are they as bullish as the Tan Sri painted? That means the next few quarters, they are going to continue to make great earnings. Okay. November 6th is the first one. So SUPERMAX, they all, SUPERMAX and CAREPLUS. So these two companies will report first. So in their report, what do we want to see? We want to see that they confirm that the average selling price is getting higher, number one, and their sales revenue increase. Sales revenue increase means that they are selling more gloves. Now, what does this has to do with the Singapore company? A lot. Okay, for example, Riverstone, UG Healthcare, all of them sell gloves. So if the Malaysian companies increase their average selling price, so does the Singapore listed glove stocks. Okay, it is related. Okay, it is related. All of them sell nitrile gloves. All right. So this is how you look at it. Now, even SUPERMAX, you can see that this double top failed. Okay, and then it broke down, and then it trades back up. Hit it as a support broken, turn resistance, right here as resistance and come down. But take a look at this volume going up over here. Okay, so it looks like a new trend is going to establish in a lot of glove stocks. Okay, so tonight you heard this, so you need to know how and when to get back into the glove stock if you have already sold. Okay.
Please subscribe our YouTube channel and open the bell to get the notification of our new video. Also like and follow our Facebook page.